Thanks for joining. In this video, I'll be discussing extension of status in Canada. There's a lot of confusion about extension application and restoration of status, so I'll explain both of them very briefly. Extension of status essentially means you're extending your status in Canada. So for example, if you're on a work permit that expires June 15th, and you want to extend your status and want to continue to work in Canada, you must apply for the extension before your current status expires. So in this situation, if you apply before June 15th, then you can continue to work in Canada. If, for example, you apply after, you can still be legal in Canada. It's called the restoration of status. The government of Canada allows for 90 days of restoring your status. So again, in this case, if June 15th is your deadline, then you have July 15th, August 15th, September 15th. You have until September 15th to file for restoration of status. If you file within this 90 period, you are still legal in Canada. However, you must stop working in Canada. And you can stay in Canada until the next work permit is issued. So again, you file for a restoration of status as a worker, and you wait until you get your new work permit to continue to work in Canada. So a lot of times extensions are applied for when you want to continue to work in Canada, and restorations are applied for if either you've missed a deadline accidentally or if you're buying yourself time. A lot of times people do restoration of status, or I recommend restoration of status because we're trying to buy time for the next application. Another example, or another common example, is you're on a visitor visa, you're in the process of getting a work permit application finalized, and you just want to remain in Canada to get that application finalized and then change your status to a worker. That is common to do a restoration of status and then change it back to a worker. So if you have questions or if there's confusion about extension, restoration, and change of status, please do give us a call today. Until next time.